Today's lesson is about subject-verb agreement rules. In sentences, it is important that the form of the verb matches the number of the subject. This means a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Let us now go over with some of the subject-verb agreement rules. Rule number 1. Subject and verb must agree in number. For example, the students attend online class. The subject here is students, which is in the plural form, therefore, the verb attend is also in the plural form. Verbs in the simple form is considered plural while verb ending in s is in the singular form. Another example. The student attends online class. In this sentence, we have the subject student, which is in the singular form, therefore, the verb attends is also in the singular form. Rule number 2. If two subjects are joined by the conjunction and, it typically requires a plural verb. For example, the teacher and her students are having a makeup class. The compound subject here is teacher and her students. Since teacher and students refer to different people, it is considered plural, therefore, the linking verb or which is in the plural form is used. However, if the words separated by the conjunction and refer to the same person or thing, it is singular. For example, my English and CLE teacher is Ms. Marianne. Since the English and CLE teacher is the same person, the verb used is singular in form. Rule number 3. Phrases of inclusion such as subordinate clauses and prepositional phrases between the subject and verb do not affect agreement. Here are some examples. My classmate, who is not able to submit his project, needs to accomplish several tasks. The subject of this sentence is my classmate, which is in the singular form. Who is not able to submit his project is a subordinate clause which modifies the subject, therefore, it has no effect in the number of the subject. This means the verb needs also take singular form. Another example. Our principal, together with our teachers, makes an effort to adapt to the new normal. The subject here is our principal, which is in the singular form, therefore, the verb makes is also in the singular form. Notice that the phrase of inclusion together with our teachers did not affect the agreement of the subject and verb. Rule number 4. If the subject connected by or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, are not only, but also or both singular, the verb is singular. However, if it is both plural, the verb is plural. Take a look at these sample sentences. Either Anne or Christine records the attendance. The subject here are nouns Anne and Christine connected by either and or. Since Anne and Christine are both singular, the verb records is also singular in form. While in this sentence, not only the students but also the teachers are learning to navigate online class. The subject here are students and teachers connected by not only and but also. Since both subject are plural, the verb must also be in the plural form. How about in cases wherein the subjects connected by correlative conjunctions are different in form? For example, either our principal or subject teachers are going to discuss the school rules. Here, one noun is singular in form, while the other is plural. In this case, the noun closest to the verb will be considered the subject. So in this sentence, subject teachers is the noun closest to the verb. Notice that it is in the plural form, this means the verb must also be plural. Rule number 5. If the sentence starts with here and there, the subject is placed after the verb. Here are some examples. There is a problem with my computer. The subject here is problem, which is in the singular form, therefore, it uses the linking verb is. Another example. There are students who cannot join the meeting. The subject here is the noun students, which is preceded by there are. Notice that the verb is in the plural form just like the subject. Rule number 6. For indefinite pronouns such as each, every, everybody, anything, someone, no one or nobody, a singular verb is used. For example, everybody in the class is trying to answer the riddle. The indefinite pronoun is everybody, therefore, the verb is in the singular form. Another one. No one in our section is absent today. No one is a pronoun in the singular form, therefore, the verb is also singular. These are just 6 of the 12 subject-verb agreement rules. These rules are helpful to avoid grammar errors in constructing sentences.